Hello friends, I am Anuradha from JavaInvestor.com. So today in this video, I'll be reviewing Corona Rakshak policy. So before I start the review, I have also reviewed Corona Kavach policy. So if you have not seen my review on that, I'm leaving a link in the description of that review. Click on that link and you can see my review on that. So let us begin the review of Corona Rakshak policy. So first of all, actually I want to highlight a common point in these both Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak policy is that if the insured is tested COVID positive in a government recognized diagnostic center, then only the insured can file a claim under this policy. So this is a very important point in both these policies. So please remember this point. So I have actually summed up the Corona Rakshak policy in these 6 points. So I'm not actually getting into the detail of this policy. And I have actually reviewed this policy in detail in my article. I'm leaving that link also of my article. You can click on that link and you can read about this policy in detail there. So these 6 points of this policy which I want to highlight is that first is that this policy can be purchased only on an individual basis. Adult age between 18 years to 65 years can take up this policy. The minimum and maximum sum insured for this policy is ranging between 50,000 to rupees 2.5 lakh. The policy has a waiting period of 15 days. So for example, if the insured has taken the policy on the first, so today is the first date of taking the policy and till 15th day. So if this insured is actually getting COVID positive in between these 15 days, then this insured cannot file a claim under this policy. This insured will not get a claim under this policy under any circumstances. So the next point is the tenure of the policy. The tenure of the policy is 3.5 months, 6.5 months and 9.5 months. So the most important point in this policy is the benefit of the policy. So what is the benefit of Corona Rakshak policy? So let me tell you all that Corona Rakshak policy has a lump sum benefit. So what does this mean? It means that if the insured is tested COVID positive in a government recognized diagnostic center and is actually requiring hospitalization, then this person has to be hospitalized for continuous of 72 hours to file a claim under this policy. So if this person, if the insured is actually fulfilling these 2 criteria and is filing a claim, then the person will get the claim under this policy. So for example, if the insured has taken the sum insured in this policy as 2.5 lakh, then on fulfilling these 2 criteria, the insured will get equal to 100% of the sum insured. So insured will get 2.5 lakh as the sum insured in this policy. So this was all about Corona Rakshak policy. Share this video with a lot of your family and friends so that they can also be aware that what is Corona Rakshak policy actually talking about, what are its features and all. And I'm leaving a link in the description about Corona Rakshak policy article where I have written every minute details about this policy, its exclusions, so where you can go and purchase this policy. You can click on that link and see. So thank you so much.